Avvo legal advice online app. The pros, the cons. Most people get stuck trying to find reliable legal advice, but the Avvo legal advice online app puts expert guidance right at your fingertips. You won't believe how quickly you can connect with licensed attorneys for questions ranging from contracts to family law. The app allows users to post legal questions and receive responses from verified attorneys. Avvo also features detailed lawyer profiles, client reviews, and ratings, making it easier to choose the right professional. This transparency helps users make informed decisions while reducing the stress of navigating the legal landscape alone. One major advantage is accessibility. Users can ask questions, schedule consultations, or get document reviews directly through the app, saving time compared to traditional appointments. The platform also includes free resources and articles, helping people understand legal concepts before seeking professional help. However, there are some cons. While initial advice may be quick, complex or ongoing cases require more in-depth representation that the app cannot provide. Some attorney responses may vary in quality or speed, and pricing for consultations and differ significantly. Avvo is excellent for guidance and clarity, but not a substitute for full legal representation. In conclusion, the Avvo Legal Advice online app is a valuable tool for anyone needing legal answers quickly. Its verified attorney network, transparent ratings and accessibility make it a strong resource for preliminary legal support. While it cannot replace in-depth legal representation, it empowers users to make smarter decisions and navigate legal matters more confidently.